He is right there. Looking good, man.
Hang loose, brother, hang loose, brother. My story was that I'm not trying to make a sad story of this, but I did lose my wife about a year and 11 months ago. So I wanted to find something to ease my mind and get away from my grieving. So I started. Me and my wife wanted to build a van, and we never got the chance. So now I'm reliving that memory, basically.
That's right on, man.
This is what came out of it. So in memory
Beautiful.
of Rhea. Yeah.
Shout out to Rhea up in heaven. And I'm glad you made it out here, man. I hope you're having a good time with the group.
I'm having a blast.
I'm glad, man. And you're gonna about to hit Sandstone Canyon with Joe.
Nice.
Yeah, so since it's lifted van meet November 2025, everyone's all about the lift kits. This guy has a Weldtec Designs bumper.
Yep.
Weldtec Designs lift kit. Baja grocery getter method wheels, and this is a Frankenstein of action van and Weldtec. What's the action van part of this?
So action van was actually they did my differential.
Yes, sir.
410s, and they did all my brakes.
Did you get a limited slip or locker with it?
The one I don't have to mess with it. It's just automatic. I don't know what that
Okay. So you did get some attraction aid.
Yes,
right on, man. You know what? The thing about it is the longer I've been in this hobby, I've been doing this 13 years, but the longer I've been in this hobby, like people lift their vans, they put bigger tires and that's it. I'm happy you guys are re-gearing and getting a traction aid.
Actually, before I put my 35, it was the 2875,
Yeah.
17, and then I wanted to make it bigger.
So you got the proper re-gear
I did
and
the gear
everything.
first and I did that, yeah. But I will go back. I'm thinking about, I haven't decided, but for sure I'm gonna get the back done. I'm just putting the weight on it so I can go to weight scale. And yeah, either way I can go with Weldtec for the back suspension leaf spring, or with Larry in action van. So I haven't.
So that's your decision, yeah. And then Wasatch Overland top, right?
Yes.
Nice top.
And then and I also had, since this was already budgeted years and years ago, we had the funds, and I had my thing added from TNT vans.
Okay, that's another company.
Yeah.
Never heard of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, check out
Yeah.
TNT. I'll look them up.
Actually, James, Chocolate Man.
Okay.
He's gonna go have it built.
He got inspired by you or what?
Yeah, he's gonna have this built. He's gonna
Nice,
have
man.
the top built. He's gonna have the windows, everything on there. Yeah.
You know what Filipinos do when they walk in other people's houses?
You don't worry about it.
Oh, no, my mom taught me, take off your shoes.
There's still dirt in there.
I'll do it anyway. Oh, look at that. How embarrassing.
Let me open the back so I get
Yeah.
it right.
There you go, man. You know what? I want a high top roof, man. Every time I walk in someone's high top roof van, I want a high top. What's your dog's name, boss? Hey, boss, what's the dog's name?
Oh, Paisley.
Paisley.
It used to be Patient, but my late wife, my daughter didn't like the name, so they call her Paisley.
Paisley.
Yeah.
Going on van adventure? Nice.
She's enjoying it.
Good, man. I'm glad you're enjoying it too. You got the Weldtec everything, man?
Yeah, I got the Weldtec everything.
Weldtec
I got
everything.
Whatever the box is, and then the wheel.
Good looking van.
Yeah, and
The
then,
thing about Weldtec is they have the whole catalog of accessories.
Yeah.
Action Van just does the lifts, but Weldtec has the bumpers, the tire carriers. Do they have the box too? The box is Weldtec?
Yeah, just the box. And
Okay.
I put my gas in here and my propane, and well,
Okay,
the
nice.
air
Yes.
compressor's in there because I had to use it just 10 minutes ago. But I put my compressor there. But it's very convenient. I have everything in there,
Yeah.
so it helps. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just keep it out of the interior.
Yeah.
Did you add this extension?
That came to the same car, Wasatch.
Wasatch
and-
does the extensions.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
They do it, and it's give me another 4 inches, and actually 6 maybe on both, not both, but total.
Okay.
So 5'5", I'm perfect for that size. Anything above that will be almost very good. Right now.
Okay, so yeah,
I
okay.
have a
So,
full size.
boom, so you could sleep this way.
Yeah.
Perfect,
so I could go
perfect.
East and west, yeah.
Yeah, and then by sleeping this direction, you have all this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And I have a swivel seat. Of course, I don't have a swivel right now. And you put it there, you got more room.
Yeah.
So I can put a seat right there and then have a guest or something.
Good looking van, man. When we hit the trail, was that your first time hitting a trail with this?
No, this is my second time.
Be on a trail?
Mojave Desert
Okay, cool,
a month
cool.
ago. Yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed that.
Nice.
Yeah, everyone that I knew was really fun and gracious enough to teach me everything. I've learned.
Okay, that was yeah, okay. You were on that trip. I remember seeing you because there's a guy with the exact same color as you. That's why I thought you were a guy I met like last March because he had a silver van just like you.
So this is it. This is the turn of it.
There you go. Good job, man. Keep up the memory for your wife.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, she would want you to have a good time like this, and I'm glad you're with us, man.
Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate it. And thank you for inviting me. Yeah.
Yeah, no, next time I wish I could go out with you guys to the next trail, but my cat, I gotta take care of her right now.
Yeah.
She needs a room.
March, I don't know, April maybe.
We'll see, man. I'll do my best to come out with you guys. So, yeah, I gotta find out if this guy has social media. Maybe I'll push him to do it so I could link it here for you guys in the comment
Yeah,
section.
we'll see. Yeah.
Okay.
Full time kind of gets it very difficult.
And that's me, man. So, there's this van. This is the remaining of the March lifted van meet 2025. There's still 13 of us. Check that out. There's another meet right there. There's 13 of them also. That a luck. We need to buy the lottery, man. That might be the lucky number.